Welcome to today's video discussing the amazing 15 benefits of ginger. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Healthcare One. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of ginger, a humble root with extraordinary health benefits. From ancient traditions to modern medicine, ginger has earned its place as one of the most powerful natural remedies out there. But what makes it so special? Packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and unique compounds like gingerol, this superfood can boost your immunity, improve digestion, and even help with weight loss. Whether you're looking for natural pain relief, a way to fight colds, or support for your heart and brain, ginger has you covered. But that's just the beginning. In this video, we'll explore 15 science-backed benefits of ginger that will transform the way you think about your health. So, grab a cup of ginger tea, sit back, and let's discover why this ancient spice is a modern-day superfood. Before we jump into the video, a quick reminder. This video is just for education purposes only and is no substitute for medical advice or care. Let's start our countdown with 1. Aids digestion. Ginger is a natural remedy for improving digestion and reducing gastrointestinal discomfort. Studies show that compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogal, stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which enhance the breakdown of food and promote smoother digestion. Ginger also speeds up gastric emptying, helping food move through the stomach more efficiently, reducing bloating and indigestion. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that consuming 1.2 grams of ginger powder before meals significantly accelerated digestion in participants. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the gut lining, making ginger a powerful ally for digestive health. Next, improves heart health. Did you know that ginger can do wonders for your heart? This incredible root is packed with powerful antioxidants like gingerol that protect your heart by reducing oxidative stress, a major contributor to heart disease. But that's not all. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties that help relax blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. Worried about cholesterol? Ginger has you covered. Studies show it can reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs arteries, and lower triglycerides, keeping your arteries clear and your heart pumping strong. Plus, it acts as a natural blood thinner, preventing dangerous clots and supporting smooth circulation. Regularly consuming ginger, whether in tea, meals, or supplements, is a simple yet effective way to enhance your heart health. So, why not add a little ginger to your daily routine? Your heart will thank you for it. Next, number 3. Immune system. Can a simple root really strengthen your immune system? Absolutely. Ginger is a natural powerhouse packed with antioxidants that shield your body from harmful free radicals and boost your immune defenses. Rich in bioactive compounds like gingerol, it helps fight inflammation, a key factor in maintaining a strong immune response. Studies have shown that ginger can enhance the activity of immune cells, making it easier for your body to combat infections and illnesses. Whether you sip it as tea or add it to meals, incorporating ginger into your diet is a simple and effective way to keep your immune system strong. Next, number 4. Relieves nausea. Did you know that ginger is a superstar when it comes to fighting nausea? Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or even nausea from chemotherapy, this natural remedy works wonders. Its powerful compounds, gingerol and shogal, target your gut and brain to quickly ease that queasy feeling. In fact, a study published in Supportive Care and Cancer revealed that just 1 gram of ginger a day significantly reduced nausea in chemotherapy patients. So, the next time your stomach turns, skip the pills and grab a cup of ginger tea or a fresh slice. Relief is just a sip away. Next, number 5. Lowers blood sugar levels. Ginger is a natural remedy that can effectively help regulate blood sugar levels, especially for those managing diabetes. Scientific studies have found that consuming ginger can enhance insulin sensitivity and improve glucose metabolism. For example, a study in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition discovered that 2 grams of ginger powder daily significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce oxidative stress, which is closely linked to blood sugar spikes. Adding ginger to your diet, whether in tea, meals, or smoothies, can be a powerful step toward healthier blood sugar control. Next, number 6. Supports weight loss. Looking for a natural way to supercharge your weight loss journey? Ginger could be your game changer. Research published in the Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism shows that ginger boosts thermogenesis, helping your body burn more calories. It also curbs appetite and keeps blood sugar levels steady, reducing those pesky cravings. Whether you add it to your tea, sprinkle it on meals, or blend it into smoothies, ginger is a delicious and powerful tool to help you shed those extra pounds. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to a natural, sustainable way to achieve your weight loss goals. Next, number 7. Promotes healthy skin. Want glowing, healthy skin? Ginger might be your new best friend. Packed with antioxidants like gingerol, it fights free radicals that can cause premature aging, wrinkles, and dullness. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe skin irritation, reduce redness, and help combat conditions like acne and eczema. But that's not all. Ginger improves blood circulation, ensuring your skin gets more oxygen and nutrients, giving you a natural, radiant glow. It also helps detoxify the skin, flushing out toxins that clog pores and lead to breakouts. Whether used in a mask, toner, or consumed in tea, ginger works from the inside out to rejuvenate your skin. Adding ginger to your skincare routine or diet is a simple and natural way to achieve clearer, brighter, and healthier skin. Why not let this miracle root work its magic for you? Next, number 8. Reduces menstrual pain. Ginger is a natural remedy for relieving menstrual pain, often referred to as dysmenorrhea. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties help reduce uterine inflammation and relax muscles, providing relief from cramps. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that consuming 1 gram of ginger powder daily during the first 3 days of menstruation significantly reduced pain severity, comparable to common pain relievers like ibuprofen. Ginger also helps alleviate nausea and fatigue that often accompany menstrual cycles. Sipping on ginger tea or taking ginger supplements can be an effective and natural way to ease period discomfort. Next, number 9. Enhances brain function. Ginger is not just great for your body, it's a powerful booster for your brain too. Packed with antioxidants and bioactive compounds like gingerol, it helps protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that ginger can improve memory, attention, and reaction time by enhancing blood flow to the brain and supporting healthy neurotransmitter function. Its anti-inflammatory effects may also help reduce the risk of chronic brain conditions. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine, whether as tea or in meals, is a simple way to keep your brain sharp, focused, and healthy. Next, number 10. Reduces cancer risk. Could a humble root like ginger help in the fight against cancer? Absolutely. Packed with potent compounds like gingerol and shogal, ginger has been shown to protect your body by reducing inflammation and combating harmful free radicals, key contributors to cancer development. Studies reveal that ginger may help slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in colon, breast, and ovarian cancers, while leaving healthy cells unharmed. It also boosts your body's natural defenses, supporting healthy cell regeneration and preventing abnormal growth. By adding ginger to your daily diet, you're not just spicing up your meals. You're taking a proactive step toward protecting your health. As we've seen, ginger isn't just a flavorful spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being. From boosting immunity to enhancing brain function and even reducing cancer risk, adding ginger to your daily routine is a simple, natural way to take care of your body. So why wait? Start incorporating this amazing root into your meals, drinks, or skincare today. Your health will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.